Hey guys, Saurabh this side. Today we are going to see the common interview question problem maximum sub array. इसमें क्या करना है ना, इसमें हमको मैक्सिमम सब array हमको लेंथ फाइंड करनी है, मैक्सिमम सम निकालना है। इसमें ये हमको कोई एरे दिया है, इसमें हमको मैक्सिमम सम निकाल के बताना है कि मैक्सिमम सम क्या होगा। ठीक है, तो इसके लिए हम कडानेस का एल्गोरिथम यूज़ करेंगे। कडानेस का एल्गोरिथम क्या है वो मैं इम्प्लीमेंटेशन टाइम पे बताऊंगा। So it's easy, it's not like a big algorithm. While implementation, normally if you will do you will implement that approach only, and unknowingly we are implementing that approach, and that approach is nothing but kadanes algorithm. So this problem I am implementing in Golang. If people are looking for Java, separate next video will be there for Java as well. You can refer that. I will provide the link as well in description. So firstly, let's understand the problem using examples. So let's say I am having -2, 1, -3, 4. Here these values are there. Sub array, you guys know, is by adding the values it should be maximum, that output we have to give. So if I will add these two, it will become 1. -3 -2 means, so if you will see here from my 4 to 1, it will become the maximum sum. How? 4 minus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So this is the maximum sum it will run. Now if only one element they are given, the maximum sum will be 1 itself. And let's see the third example. Here 5 plus 4 11, 11 minus 1 plus 7 plus 8. So this complete array giving the maximum sum, so that will be 23. Constants we will see. Okay, length always will be 1, at least 1 will be greater than 1, and numbers also, it can be negative and positive. Okay, so let's start it. So basically, if you want to write any program for this, like if you want to find the sum, so you will take one variable called max. Okay, now question is what initial value you will give for max, because here if you are seeing this is a starting number can be negative as well. Okay, so max value we are not sure what value I should give. If I will give 0 means for negative it will max value will be 1 with 0 each time. So if all numbers are negative, that time also it will show max is 1, means max is 0, so that will be a problem. So what we'll do, we'll assign with the first element max. One more I will take as a current sum. So current sum I'll take current sum equal to, also I will give as a this one. Let's iterate now. So for I colon equal to 0, I am not taking because I have taken already. I is less than length of nums. Okay, I plus plus. Now what we do, we have to find the current sum. So if you will see, current sum equal to current sum plus nums of 5. This will be actually your current sum. But what we have to see, if this current sum is maximum or not with previous sum, or it may be the case the number I am adding, let's say this 4 is there. Okay, if I am adding in, let's say I have this -3 and 4, if I am adding this -3 into 4, it is giving less number, but if I will take only 4, then it will give the maximum number. So I have to find a way. So what I can do, I'll do one thing. So if I will see, I'll take maximum of. So in current sum what I will store, in current sum I will store maximum sum, maximum of. So maximum value of current sum or nums of 5. This you understood why I am taking this, because here if you will see, if I am taking, just take these two, you have these two value. Okay, you don't have extra value in array, but only these two you have. So if you will take current sum, currently it is -3. Okay, we have assigned as -3, and if I will add next element, it will become 4. 4 plus -3 it will become 1. So what current sum, if I will take only 4, then it will current sum will be max. So we have to maximize the current sum, as well as if max value is less than current sum. Okay, if the max value is less than current sum, so what you have to do? You have to assign max equal to current sum. Okay, now this max function we have to define. I will be defining down. So func max value int a. Sorry, this is not Java. This is Golang. So b int. Okay. Now if a greater than b, so we'll return a. Otherwise, what will return? Will return b. So let's test it. Okay, few errors are there. Too many returns. Okay, here we have not given a return type. So let's give int. It will return int. And then define num. It is telling, so nums I have to use here. This is nums. Here down also it is nums. Okay, let's try it. Missing return. Okay, I'm not returning any value, so I have to return the max value here. Okay, now we can see all the test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. Okay, great. Test. This is submitted with 98 milliseconds. Within less time it is submitted. Okay guys, if you have any doubts you can put in comment section, and for Java code I will give the comment as well. In description I will give the link so you can refer it. Thank you. Bye.